Hello friends, today in this live stream I will be talking about how basically we can integrate the LightGallery.js inside our React.js application. So Light Gallery basically guys, it's a image gallery kind of a responsive gallery kind of an application. So where you can display multiple images. So if I just refresh this application, so basically you will see that guys, it will display all your images that you are embedding on your website in a very good way. You will see 4 images are there and we are displaying it one after the other. A user have the option, they can navigate using these controls out there. You will also see the number of images that are present right here. This is the second image out of 4 images. We can just navigate to the 4 images. And also there is basically this code here. We can control here how many milliseconds animation. So if I increase this 1500 millisecond, if I change this value to, and basically once again if I refresh here, and now it will take slightly longer. You will see transition effect is happening here. So it is all controlled in millisecond, and now it has all these controls out there. You can rotate your images in any direction, clockwise, anti-clockwise. You can basically flip the images inside, left or right, top and left, like this. You can even share your images to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, so it will open this like this. You can even zoom your images like this. You can even download your images. So all these plugins or user controls are available inside this image gallery, and we can even close this image. And a short little thumbnail is also shown here guys. So if you directly, you can navigate to the image by clicking this thumbnail. So you can see that image 4, image 3. So these controls are also available right here. So now I will be showing you how to integrate this inside your React.js application. I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website. The link is given in the description of this live stream. So you can go to the description and copy paste all the source code. So now let me show you how to integrate this library. So it is basically this library that we are talking about guys, LightGallery.js. So if you go to the website, this is a website here. It is available for Angular, React, Vue. So we are specifically talking about how to integrate it inside your React.js application. So this is basically the module npm light gallery. So there is this node module which is we will need to install. So if you just type here light gallery, the very first link which comes here, this is a module that you need to install here inside your React.js application, npm light gallery. So after you do this guys, this is very simple. Let me just delete all this source code and start from scratch. Let me just delete this and explain you from scratch. So hello world, let me replace it here, and also let me just, so now if you refresh your application guys, nothing will be there. If you go, hello world will be there. And now the very first thing we need to do guys here, if you see, basically here you need to put all your images inside this light gallery tag. So there is light gallery. This is basically light gallery, and basically it takes some options. 2 options is take. And now to basically import this, it's very simple. We need to write an import statement here. Import light gallery from, and there is this module light gallery / react / light gallery es5. You need to select this file es5. That's all. So after you do this guys, basically it takes them 2 options. First is take is the speed, which is in millisecond. Let me provide 500 millisecond. And then basically guys, you need to define all your images that needs to be displayed here. Let me just basically copy all these images. So you can basically copy these images from the internet, take the URL from the internet of all these images. So basically it contains the anchor tag which contains the URL of the image, and also inside this image tag you also need to paste the same URL of the image. So we have 4 images, and now if I basically see, you will see that guys, if I click any of these images, nothing will happen. because we haven't initialized our light gallery. So now to initialize light gallery, guys, it is very easy. We need to basically pass a option here, the second option that we need to pass here, which is called as plugins. So inside this plugins, guys, this is basically an array of object of array, and here basically we need to basically import first of all the CSS file for light gallery right here at the very top. So import LightGallery /css /lightgallery.css. So this file you need to import, guys. So now if you see, just put a semicolon here, and now you can see that, guys, as you see, automatically these things will be displayed here. This download button will be there, this cross button will be there. We can simply navigate to all the images inside the image gallery. Now to basically add some functionality, we will need to add one by one, similarly like this: import LightGallery /css /lg zoom.css. So this is for the zoom one, and similarly we have all the plugins out there. Let me paste it. We have the thumbnail, autoplay, share, rotate. All these are plugins, and similarly we need to require the plugins that we need to install. So after this, simply paste it. So these are all the plugins, guys. You can see we are importing it from the plugins folder. This is thumbnail, zoom, autoplay, video, share, rotate. After this, guys, inside this we can one by one we can add this, which is LG thumbnail. So if you see now, if you refresh, the thumbnail will be shown here at the bottom. You will see that. Then we can simply have the share button, rotate. We can have autoplay. All these plugins we are including one by one, and also the zoom one, LZ zoom. That's all. So now we have included all the plugins, guys. You will see that these plugins, these controls are there. You can zoom this image, you can rotate it, flip this image, you can share this image, download this image. All these things you can perform here, guys. So in this way, guys, you can interact, or you can basically include this library inside your React.js application. It is very easy to do. So whenever if you want to show a gallery of images inside your website to your website visitors, this is a perfect library that you can use inside your React.js application. So all the source code is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching this.